Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are making Bihari-style Chana Dal Vada Curry. It's a harmonious blend of two elements. The vada, a lentil fritter that is crisp on the outside and fluffy on the inside. And the curry, a spiced yogurt-based curry that's tangy and soul-warming. For the vada mixture, take Chana Dal which was soaked overnight. Blend it with small amounts of water and make a paste. To this add besan, salt to taste, chopped coriander leaves, chopped chilies, crush in some ajwain and a tiny amount of baking soda. Using a spoon, stir the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes to add air and soften it. For deep frying the vadas, heat some refined oil in a kadhi. Then, drop in small spoonfuls of vada mixture into the hot oil. The air in the mixture will make the vadas float up to the surface of the oil. Fry them on low to medium flame for 3 minutes until they are golden and crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. When done, take them off on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. At this stage, you can store your vadas for later in an airtight container in the fridge for 7 days. For the curry base, take sour curd, add besan, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, amchur powder, and some grated ginger. Whisk the mixture until it's smooth and lumps free. Then add 3 cups of water and your mixture will be ready. Take some mustard oil in a vessel on high heat and temper it with cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and fenugreek seeds. Then add in the curry mixture and stir it well to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom of the vessel. Cover and cook on low heat for 25 minutes. You should achieve this smooth and creamy consistency after cooking your curry. Then add salt and a handful of coriander leaves and mix it in. Finally, add your vadas to the curry and simmer for 2 minutes so they absorb all the flavors. For the final tempering, heat some ghee in a vessel and add dried red chilies and mustard seeds. Cool it for few seconds and add Kashmiri chili powder for the explosion of colors. Then add this tempering to your curry and stir it in. And there you have it, vada curry made in Bihari style, ready to be served. This dish isn't just about taste, it's about the experience, the tradition, and the love that goes into making it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more delicious recipes, and until then, happy cooking!